Imagine a drone so powerful, so intelligent, that it can cover entire acres of farmland in mere minutes. What if I told you that DJI is preparing to launch something that could revolutionize modern agriculture forever? Yes, I'm talking about the rumored DJI Agras T60, the next generation in DJI's legendary agricultural drone lineup. From early leaks to anticipated cutting-edge features, this machine could be a game-changer for farmers, agribusinesses, and drone professionals around the world. Before we dive in, if you love learning about groundbreaking drones, rumored digital cameras, and high-tech gear that's shaping the future, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and stay in the loop with the most trusted insider reports. Let's now explore why the DJI Agras T60 could redefine the very way we grow our food. Chapter 1. The Legacy of DJI Agras Series. To understand the buzz surrounding the DJI Agras T60, we need to look back at the evolution of DJI's agricultural drone series. It all started with the MG1, DJI's first bold step into crop spraying drones. But it wasn't until later models, the Agras T16, T20, and especially the T30 and T40, that DJI turned heads globally. Each new release brought dramatic improvements in payload, software intelligence, and precision. The T40, for example, introduced a massive 40-liter tank, dual atomized spraying nozzles, and centimeter-level positioning using RTK systems. With its robust frame and cutting-edge radar, it could handle complex terrains with ease while dramatically reducing manual labor for farmers. These drones weren't just flying machines. They were digital agricultural workers, capable of performing tasks that once required hours of human effort. From rice paddies in China to vineyards in Italy, DJI Agras drones became an essential tool for modern precision farming. And now, with the rumored T60, DJI is expected to raise the bar even higher. Chapter 2. Why is the Agras T60 being launched? The demand for smarter, faster, and more efficient agricultural drones is greater than ever. Around the world, farmers are facing pressure to increase crop yields while reducing chemical waste and labor dependency. Climate change, worker shortages, and the need for sustainable farming practices have made traditional methods less viable. The rumored DJI Agras T60 is not just an upgrade. It is designed to address these exact challenges. It's a solution built for speed, efficiency, and intelligence. For instance, imagine a sugarcane farm in rural Brazil. Traditionally, spraying would require teams of workers, large equipment, and an entire day to complete. With the T60, early estimates suggest this task could be completed autonomously in under 30 minutes, with pinpoint accuracy and no human exposure to harmful chemicals. The drone represents more than convenience. It's about safety, sustainability, and scalability. Chapter 3. Expected specifications and features. Among the most anticipated features of the Agras T60 is its significantly increased payload capacity. According to various leaks, the T60 could support up to a 60-liter spray tank, making it DJI's most capable spraying drone to date. This upgrade means the drone would be able to cover larger fields with fewer refill interruptions, greatly enhancing operational efficiency. Imagine a vast wheat field in Punjab or Kansas, where the T40 might require a few returns to base. The T60 could complete the entire spraying routine in one extended flight. The T60 is also expected to feature a new generation of atomized spraying nozzles. These will likely provide more refined droplet sizes and more consistent coverage, leading to reduced chemical usage and healthier crop yields. This isn't just about better spraying. It's about reducing environmental impact and improving precision down to the centimeter. Another major improvement anticipated is in its radar and obstacle avoidance system. While the T40 already included an active phased array radar and binocular vision sensors, the T60 is expected to go a step further by offering 360-degree environmental sensing. With AI-based terrain tracking, it could automatically adjust altitude in real time while flying over uneven terrain, tall crops, or between orchard trees. This is particularly useful in countries with diverse farming landscapes like India, Brazil, and the US. Rumors also point to a new propulsion system, possibly featuring larger carbon fiber propellers and more efficient motors. These advancements could reduce energy consumption while increasing lift capacity and flight stability. Interestingly, it may also lead to quieter operations, which is a big plus for agricultural environments located near residential areas or livestock farms. In terms of flight time, the DJI Agras T60 is expected to offer approximately 20 to 25 minutes of continuous operation even when fully loaded. That's a significant step up from previous models and would allow larger fields to be managed on a tighter schedule. This kind of performance could prove vital during critical spraying windows when weather and timing matter most. On the software side, DJI is likely to offer deeper integration with its mapping platform, DJI Terra. This means the T60 would be capable of 3D field modeling, route optimization through AI, and generating real-time spraying reports. Farmers will be able to plan, monitor, and adjust spraying patterns from a tablet or smartphone, making the T60 a flying data center, not just a drone. Another possible feature is the dual-use capability, allowing the drone to switch from spraying liquid pesticides to spreading solid materials like fertilizers or rice seeds. By simply changing the payload module, farmers could use the same drone for multiple agricultural tasks, including dry seeding or even feeding livestock in remote fields. Chapter 4: Pricing and Release Date Predictions. Although DJI hasn't confirmed anything officially, multiple sources suggest that the Agras T60 could be unveiled in late 2025 or early 2026. The company may choose to reveal it during a dedicated agricultural event or at a major tech expo like CES 2026, where DJI often showcases its flagship technologies. As for pricing, expect the T60 to command a premium. The Agras T40 typically retails between $15,000 to $20,000, depending on the configuration and accessories. Given the expanded capabilities and likely dual-function modules of the T60, it wouldn't be surprising to see it priced around $25,000 or even higher. However, for large-scale farming operations, the investment may pay for itself in a single season through saved labor, increased efficiency, and higher crop quality. Chapter 5: Should you wait for the T60 or get a T40 now? If you're already using an Agras T40 and it's meeting your needs, there may be no rush. But if your agricultural demands are growing, especially if you're managing hundreds of acres or working with time-sensitive crops, the T60 might be worth waiting for. Its increased payload, smarter AI systems, and dual-purpose modules make it ideal for high-intensity agricultural workflows. New buyers need to ask themselves, how much land are they managing, how frequently they spray or spread materials, and whether AI-based route planning could cut costs in the long run. If the answer to any of those points is a lot, the T60 could offer a significant upgrade in both capability and return on investment. Chapter 6: The Future of DJI and Precision Agriculture. The Agras T60 is more than just the next drone. It represents a glimpse into the future of agriculture. DJI is not only building better drones, it's building an entire ecosystem of autonomous farming solutions. With integration across data analytics, mobile apps, cloud syncing, and now potential AI-driven decision-making, DJI is paving the way toward a fully digitized and automated agriculture industry. Imagine a future where an entire vineyard is managed by a fleet of intelligent drones that scan, spray, and report, all without a single human in the field. The T60 may be the foundation on which this future is built. OUTRO, call to action. And that's everything we know so far about the DJI Agras T60, a rumored drone that could very well transform agriculture around the globe. With a larger payload, smarter systems, and enhanced functionality, it's shaping up to be the most powerful agriculture drone DJI has ever built. If this kind of high-tech innovation excites you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. What feature are you most excited about in the T60? Could this drone solve your farming challenges? Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments. I'd love to hear how you think this will impact agriculture in your region. Until next time, stay tuned, stay curious, and keep your eyes on the skies, because the future of farming is already flying.